welcome you all. Many people visualize themselves aging gracefully and living a long, healthy life with a healthy lifestyle. While this is something that many people dream of, but only few people are able to achieve it. So today, in this video, I'll talk about 10 little lifestyle habits which you can follow them very easily to enhance the chances of longer life, which will help you in maintaining good mental, emotional, physical and social health. So let's begin. First, wake up early and exercise. Early to bed and early to rise make a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Wake up early in the morning with the bright light of sunrise. According to World Health Organization, adults aged 18 to 64 years should do at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic physical activity throughout the week, or do at least 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic physical activity throughout the week. Exercise can be in the form of brisk walk, jogging, cycling, cardio, yoga, etc. Second, disciplined eating pattern. Try to fix your meal timings. There should be an accurate time for your breakfast, lunch, snacks and dinner. Don't treat your stomach like a bin, so try to listen to your stomach and fill your stomach by 80%, not 100%. Take double time to chew your food. Eat small, frequent, well-balanced meal which should include green veggies, 2 to 3 brightly colored fruits, green smoothies because different color will provide different health benefits. Try to finish your dinner 3 hours prior to sleep. Third, sleeping pattern. The health amount of sleep for the average adult is around 7 to 8 hours each night. So fix your time for quality sleep, which is also a key to healthy lifestyle secret. And the most important thing is, in the night time, switch off all your electronic gadgets and mobile phones at least 2 hours before going to bed. According to research, there is a correlation between suppressed level of melatonin and exposure to blue light. Melatonin is a hormone responsible for controlling your sleep-wake cycle. So, when your body runs low on it, you can experience insomnia, tiredness during day and irritability. Exposure to blue light can affect your internal body clock. So, stay away from the phones in the night time and try to spend some good time with family or by reading some good books. Fourth, avoid skipping meals. You should never skip your meal, especially your breakfast, because it is the first meal of the day that body uses to top up its glucose level after 8 to 12 hours of fasting. So, eat breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince and dinner like a pauper. Fifth, avoid gadgets. Have your meal without any distraction of TV, mobile phones, laptops because during eating process, brain is distracted and sends out the wrong signal to the body and does not process the taste or satisfaction of the palate. It can lower your body metabolism and indigestion too. Sixth, water intake. Hydration is as important as breathing. Drink at least 8 glasses of water to keep yourself hydrated and to eliminate toxins from your body. But if you fail to do so, then make it a habit to drink 1 glass of water half an hour before every meal and half an hour after every meal. Other fulfillment of fluid intake can be completed with herbal teas, juices, smoothies, etc. 7th, become a home chef. Stop eating processed foods while it be a packed pranthas, pizzas, refined flour cookies or 2 minutes ready to cook noodles. Put some efforts in your own kitchen by cooking your own healthy food with positive vibes and share it with your family. So, cook with positive vibes, eat with positive vibes and serve with positive vibes and experience the happiness. 8th, learn to say no when someone offers you the junk food. 9th, detoxification of your mind. Start doing meditation at least 10 minutes in a day, which will help you in reducing stress, anxiety and keep your mood swings under control. 10th, keep a positive attitude. Instead of waiting for external things to make you happy, be happy and then watch how that influences the things that go on around you. So stay happy, active and follow your goals, dreams with positive mind and positive attitude. I know it's difficult to make good habits and it does take time, so don't stress out, just try without any perfection. Once you will adapt these little changes, you would surely love to continue them. Always remember, A meaningful life is a longer life. In short, eat well, move more, stress less, and love more. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you.